Oh no!
Oh my, what happened? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to HP Mini DIY Tractor for more fun videos. Will the cowshed collapse?
Huh?
Oh no! Hey! Hey!
Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notifications for the latest videos.
Oh no!
Aha! Go!
Let go! Let go!
Go! Hey, hey! Whoa!
Okay.
First is Can you imagine what the new barn will look like?
A few moments later.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next one.